Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Tashido X109. Start by going into Play Store on both of them and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. From this screen here, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. After that, you need to select Send on an Android and Receive on Tashido. Then click on all of those dots and just tap on Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go only with one photo. For example, maybe that one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. From here we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on Tashido, tapping on Allow and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here. And click on Receive. Now, after a little couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!